Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Who is new here? My name is Zarina, and in today's vlog I want to take you with us to our vacation. We are leaving tomorrow to Cabo, Mexico. I'm super excited because it's going to be my first time visiting Mexico, and it's going to be our second time traveling with a toddler abroad. So I'm very happy for my son that he will be able to see the world at the very young age. Good thing about traveling to Cabo, it's not far away from us. So I live in LA, who doesn't know, and it's only 2 hours flight, which is super comfortable because flying with a toddler, it might be a bit challenging, but 2 hours flight, it's totally fine. So I'm very excited, first of all, to see Mexico, to try Mexican food, to swim in the ocean, and overall to see like Baja California Sur. So the reason why we chose to go to the Cabo, first of all, we heard that it's obviously a very beautiful place, that it's very family friendly, and it's very safe, which one of the most important aspects of thinking overall about going to vacation, especially with the kids. So yeah, plans for today, obviously start packing. So before jumping straight to our Cabo vlog and sharing with you our stay there, I wanted to share something else with you. So a few days ago, a brand which called Native Shoes, they reached out to me and they asked if I want to collaborate with them. I did my research before saying yes, and I found out that Native Shoes is a brand dedicated to creating lightweight, innovative, and sustainable footwear for all ages. Knowing this, I said yes because some of you might know I really love supporting sustainable brands and the brands that really makes difference in our world. So I just received their package and I thought it's a good timing to do some unboxing. I know that you all love my unboxing videos, and they gifted us 3 pair of shoes for me, my husband, and my son that we can enjoy on our vacation. So I wanted to say a huge thanks to the brand for this beautiful gift, and I also wanted to share a bit more about the brand itself and show you the products that they sent to us. Okay, let's do an unboxing and then I will see you in Cabo. Native Shoes' mission, encapsulated in the phrase "Live Lightly," reflects a commitment to designing products and experiences that contribute to a healthier and happier world. Native Shoes are crafted from materials like injection-molded EVA, making them shock-absorbent, odor-resistant, and hand-washable. Their products are 100% animal-free, reflecting a commitment to respecting all creatures. So as I said, Native Shoes sent me and my family their latest footwear, the Apollo 10 for adults and the Robbie Child for Almir. I got my shoes in color bone white in size 7.5. My husband got in color Jiffy Black in size 9. These shoes are made with eco-friendly materials. Its midsole and insole are crafted from supercritical sugar light, a lightweight sugarcane-based performance foam that offers enhanced softness, bounce, and resilience. I can't agree more. These shoes are so light and comfortable. To be honest, I don't remember trying anything like this. Good morning, world. We arrived in Mexico, in Cabo. This is the view from our room, and we're excited to go right now to the pool and to the beach. Here's Almir. Almir, are you excited? Yeah. Yes. We're staying at Holiday Inn, and it's such a beautiful hotel with a big territory. The food is good. We've been eating guacamole almost every day since it's so fresh. The ocean is a bit colder than we expected, but the water is so crystal clear, and overall our experience in Cabo is just going so well. We decided not to explore outside of the hotel since we're staying only for 5 days and we have everything we need inside of our hotel. We have a few different cuisines, restaurant, we have small stores, and we have different experiences like water activities. We even have horse riding, and we also saw a newborn turtles that were hatching on the sunrise. It was absolutely beautiful. What I loved the most in Mexico, obviously the food, because it was absolutely delicious, and I love their heritage, their culture. It's everywhere, even in the hotel, even in the decorations, like everywhere. We ate a lot, we walked a lot, and I didn't vlog too much because I really wanted to enjoy this time with my family. It was also a whale season, so we saw a lot of whales jumping from the ocean. Wow, and Mia, can you show me your outfit? I love your sneakers. Are they comfortable?
Kids, kids,
Thank you, Mexico. Now it's time to go home.